Have you ever seen a car that instantly brings back memories of old India? From crowded city streets to classic Bollywood films, one car ruled the roads for decades, the Premier Padmini. More than just a vehicle, it became a symbol of simplicity, reliability, and nostalgia. Today, let's explore the fascinating story of this legendary automobile, the birth of a legend. The Premier Padmini was introduced in 1973 by Premier Automobiles Limited. Based on the Italian Fiat 1100, it was designed to suit Indian roads and quickly gained popularity. At a time when car choices were limited, the Padmini offered stylish looks, dependable performance, and easy maintenance, making it a dream car for many Indian families. Why everyone loved it? One of the biggest reasons for the Padmini's success was its compact size, which made driving through narrow streets effortless. Its fuel-efficient engine, comfortable ride, and affordable maintenance earned the trust of thousands of owners. Mechanics across the country were familiar with the car, making repairs simple and inexpensive. The king of Mumbai taxis, perhaps the Premier Padmini's most iconic role was as Mumbai's famous black and yellow taxi. For decades, these taxis became the heartbeat of the city, carrying millions of passengers every year. Their durability and reliability made them the first choice for taxi operators, turning the Padmini into a cultural icon. A Bollywood star, the Premier Padmini wasn't just popular on the roads. It also became a familiar face in Indian cinema. Countless Bollywood movies featured the car, often representing everyday life, romance, and adventure. Even today, seeing a Premier Padmini on screen instantly transports viewers back to a different era, the end of an era. As modern cars with advanced technology entered the market, the Premier Padmini struggled to keep up. Production officially ended in 2001, marking the end of nearly 3 decades of an unforgettable journey. Although it disappeared from showrooms, it never disappeared from people's hearts. A collector's favorite today. Today, the Premier Padmini is a prized classic car. Automobile enthusiasts restore and preserve these vintage beauties, displaying them at classic car rallies and exhibitions. Owning a well-maintained Padmini is now considered a badge of honor among collectors. Conclusion. The Premier Padmini was never just a car, it was a part of India's history. It carried families, powered Mumbai's taxis, starred in Bollywood, and created memories for generations. Even though its production has ended, its legacy continues to inspire classic car lovers across the country. Outro. If you enjoyed learning about the legendary Premier Padmini, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more stories about iconic automobiles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.